In this tutorial, we'll be taking a look at My Account Details and your measurement settings. My Account Details is located on the left under the Options menu. Click on My Account Details. Note, the Measurement Settings tab is also available. We'll first look at My Account Details. Listed is your login name and your name. We have preferred language, and this is configurable. To change your language, select your language in the drop-down list. Once the setting is saved, FMWeb will then display in your selected language. You can change the setting at any time. You have the ability to change your password, which as a security precaution you should do on a regular basis. You can enter or update your details such as work telephone, work fax, home telephone, mobile number, and of course your email address. It is vitally important that you ensure that your email address is correct, as notifications and reports will be sent to this address. And here we have the organization GMT offset. Here you also have the choice of changing your defined offset. Defined offset is a function which you will use if the time zone you are in is different from that of your organization. This function ensures that reports or data you view will be according to your time zone. Once done, click Save to ensure that your changes are saved to the system. Now we can look at measurement settings. The measurement settings specified here will be reflected on all your reports. So for example, if you specify imperial, then any distance-related measurements will be displayed in miles. Configurable factors are measurement units, consumption, fuel odor reading, and fuel volume. Click Save once you're done. For further detail, please consult the help file. And this brings us to the end of this tutorial.